Want help?
You're a doctor now. I'm the doctor. Okay.
You will check up Jacob.
Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, what are you feeling? Okay. Sinisipa yung adali. Oh, it's hot. Look, it's 100, 800. Look, you have a fever. You need to sleep. Look.
Yes, you're catching me.
Oh. Are you feeling well now?